Hi folks, welcome back. So today we're going to see how we can set an entry point and preview a demo. An entry point tells Fable where to start the interactive demo when someone opens the iframe embed or the URL link of the demo. You cannot publish a demo without setting an entry point. So let's go ahead and click on the first screen. Let's go down to the advanced feature and let's click on entry point. And now you can see preview. Preview lets you to see the end-to-end of the demo flow the way a consumer of your demo would. So let's click on this. And here we have the demo. Let's start next. Just like that, folks. We have a whole demo over here. Thank you. Please stay tuned for further videos.